Juma Enrano. Tebogo Letsema, Nidini Letsema Mwa. Tebogo. A branch away last season. And the last 2 seasons before we call on it, coach Erick Tinkler. Juma was Sekukune United. Story today, but you've born a person this year. Young Juma. Enti young Juma ye papa at the mount. Eti Kabiru ever pair a branch at the bar. Aha. As we are man of the match. Oh, fantastic. A branch was here kind of the Sekukuni United. The age near 23 years. 23 years. A dinner be a Tebogo Letsema. My catches are now, the series pronounced. Yeah, now. Ni pronunciation will be an idea. It's more any Swahili can may not pronounce it like the English that I am using. We say Letsema. Letsema. And no Abia said ye one more a pronounce on a canon. 80 a Tebogo Letsema. We did 23 years of humanity at the Lesotho or a national team player at the Lesotho. It will check recent games are Lesotho man Abba, Omoni Angola, Omoni Nations games of Mabono, Ayana Obobi. And a branch a player. Only coach Erick Tinkler. Aye Juma Erick Tinkler. Only Aye Juma. Now the American is a branch a free agent as you speak. Or a free. A son's Erick Tinkler and Nimino will ultimately operate as a winger. Proud rings or panyasm ketwakra. Coach, I recommend Adiama, the director of football at Asante Kotoko. Kaisa say, Oya Kotoko coach. And as I say, me here, Tebogo Letsema na Ednama Debi. Okaza ope player. The director of football. I said, yeah. So, anonso, Eko no Koya Mojuma. Na onim penyfo di ho nkomo. Owia na wasamba back abe report to the coach no. Abranche Akacho say on the 9th of September 2002. So he's 23 years of age. And the current club Okochekebo say Sekukune United. Or a player bakwa coach no I recommend this Asante Kotoko, director of football. And Shana Undi Unkomonche. He's a 23-year-old right winger. Kotoko ebe to me and no area. Na omra emisia kan. And fama crop ya Asante Kotoko. Metema. Iti wei aye Tebogo Letsema. Okobo loan last season. Adema Orapa United FC. Urapa and Okobo loan at the amount. So we a foreign player bakwa. Wamo any abre so mefano. The last game of ball at the Lesotho. Ayo money Kenya. Ebra Kenya a ball Lesotho by 4-0 no. A branch at the ding at the Tebogo Letsema. Wano SSI game na say. Ansana ofrim ama Tolan Makuru ababe in a frame. So he started the game and was substituted Ebra Tolan Makuru eba abe in a frame. We a player was the Academy Sekukune United. Na coach Erick Tinkler aka champion for ni jersey number of Pepa ye a jersey number 7. Ebra boss Sekukune no na jersey number 7 no senior player bi ehye. It jersey number 20 and at Sekukuni a branch in Inyaya. You didn't want some trigger say currently Kotoko. I should say Ombina branch editing at the Tebogo Letsema. Tebogo Letsema. Now Asante Kotoko transfer target. Yanko branch editing at the Gariba. Na ono maye no wadwuma adiamawa ana me betire mu kire wo se as a center back no oye player Kotokofo no ani abre so mu ebefa branch no afei na Asante Kotoko coach no anasa Kotoko sporting director Kotoko director of football Stanley, I review videos upon videos, extensive videos of course. Now say me was a 5 minutes video but on internet na so nya no Kotoko, woman director of football, Stanley, he does not rely on 5, 6, 10 minutes video to make a decision on player. Kotoko Eko for the derby. Or share video 10 full game. Okay, I branch the Kotoko and the Karela no Obobi. Faisal Gariba Ebobi, almost say aye. No, I per link. No, I shot the entire 90 minutes plus additional time, no. Hands of folk, a coco piemo Karela. Ah, Karela, has. Obobi. Video ni available away. No, I he. Karela, any team way boy, you know, about TV so in fact, met my catcher say, Asante Kotoko, ready, sir, on my top videos, you know. Who's a matches are Amber TV, so no. GFA cameraman, you could chat. Enti. Okwa GFA, there's an amount of money, I think 2,000 cities or 1,000 cities per video. Now, Kotoko TSC can watch games are my TV so crown. Normally videos at Yama, the director of football. And the American say, Asante Kotoko director of football. Why extensive review of Faisal Gariba videos, you know. Oh, yeah, you know. What ticket box, you know, correct. And now, the ball is in the court of Asante Kotoko. Board. Say, Ombetuanamo, now branched the thing at the Faisal Gariba, the center back, no. Wamo Ayajuma, no Makofa branch at Naba. Enti, we expect that a China Kotoko ever submitted an official bid at the Ama Karela United Football Club. And so, official bid, no, acquire. Matisse enya den medical bekacho say Karela omoni Asante Kotoko a very very good rapport honorable Haruna Idris team ne dia ene mpanyfo de team na gya omso omonyam fama no omoni Asante Kotoko very 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 good rapport enti sa rapport ni ntino Kotoko ombebo om price one enye outrageous then Kotoko will negotiate na branch de Faisal Gariba abakai se Kotoko wamu alusu center backs miensa. But your story back kwa meeting say Joseph Ablo eba Kumasi nano minim so da so ha. Kotoko former center back ni yezo ba Kumasi. Na I don't know if I say obesa bebo Asante Kotoko na say obeye na dia of course. Having stayed in Kumasi for more than a year, maybe he has made his friends and other things. And young one was over Kumasi, Unyazo could never be a kobo pumanza. But a branch, a Kumasi, and Komudia yet say a likely share a Biana Kotoko as I are reactivating Komono. Kotoko, he have 3 center backs. They can decide to sign 2 top center backs. No more promote to youth team player Ali Mohammed Nidino no. Koloko youth team player for Ali Mohammed. We make it bench on some occasions. Adi Asante Kotoko. Now Asante Kotoko next player ono ebeba sa central defense ono. And also a branch ya ono oye what do you call it? A foreigner, but you won't tell ye. Muamu Kaisam Bakacha say agency be alpha a center back. Sa center back no ofri Uganda. Adiama Krobia Asante Kotoko. I'm sure ye nyina bekai. Satana agency no yes ade no. Na enya Kotoko management we na ho. At that time. Abrante de din ade Cyrus Kibandi. Ugandan national 22-year-old Cyrus Kibandi. Abedi no nkomo e wa ha ade akere mu. Se oye player ni agency no aye Explosion Sports Management Consult. Na branch aye free agent. Cyrus Kibandi oye free agent. Enti the Ugandan national Abo ade ama Uganda national team no or height ye pa na nim de e ka 22 a ense se o je chinye na nim ne akora nim pa kabi masasa de ama o abranche me da se pa o a player ye ka say he's been offered to Asante Kotoko. I don't know if Kotoko are interested in the boy, but I am not saying Kotoko are chasing the boy. I am saying that he has been offered to Asante Kotoko, and because he has been offered to Asante Kotoko, no, or a player, Krobia, interest with mua, they can quickly and easily speak to ne Mpenyi for no. Or a free agent, so on your player Kotoko this guy Kotono, or a free agent. No, cause some branch Kotoko was signed on over sign 2. Just a cause we see more Dupan, Comodian Baquachipa. And our branch bet decided to say, or sign more than 2 seasons at the Ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tia branch the thing at the Cyrus Kibandi. Cyrus Kibandi. A center backer. Ni agency offered to Kotoko some time back. I don't know if Kotoko are going for him, but I know Kotoko are going for a foreign center back. I hear, sir, the West African continent and so Kotoko as activity ne scouts no more monitor the moment enti Nigeria, La Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, Burkina, some nations me saying what is Asante Kotoko Alpha a center back and you're free any of these West African neighbors. Mema enyo wanwa esan se enkomodie eguso a ekoso. Enkomodie eguso a ekoso. Aye betimi ade ehonsem no. Atudwa ade amase Krobia are still in negotiations and they are still counting on their scouts. Se wonum ebenya a top center back from West Africa baby. Na player no ababe wuram. Ade amase Asante Kotoko. Now over center backs na Kotoko will go in for 3 center backs. 2 plus youth team players be promote omo. And now say 3 center backs. Last season Kotoko Asia season ase no. Tienie pa. Kotoko Asia season ase last season no. Almost started with Samba, Ablo, Ansu, Zakaria Fuseni, Musa Hamzata. Michael Sefa. But Michael Sefa started season and check and MC mutual termination be by. Emani ko MC Togo. And okusi akan Etikotko and at least 5 top center backs in the starting season. Now aka 2 Musa Hamzata and Zakaria Fuseni pe and aka. And this was just Kotko for center back and ya to tatoto and a Kotko fe and a chinji on mutobi debi. And ya Kotko and chinji on muto player. There is a need for Krobia to get at least 2 normal promo 2 youth team players in Yabanasa Miensa. Normally, you had 5 center backs in a starting season. Now we know Kotko and Africa. To bet mine 4 plus youth team player no. Because Africa nim Kotko ball only the league and the FA Cup. Inti what is a Kotko center back Kotko for center backer me pacho ɛho nkɔmɔ no ɛna mede ama wo sɛ Kotoko for a center back wei ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛde ɛho nsɛm no ɛde ama wo mepatwɔ apart from player ne din ɛde Tebogo Letsema yɛde ne ho asɛm aba no coach Erick Tinkler is still looking for a top-notch foreign striker number 9 prima punta top-notch coach in APB na ɔne ne sporting director ahyɛaseɛ ɛdi nkɔmmɔ because obi ɔmato kɛsɛ a sɛ ɔte aseɛ there is a certain coordination and communication ɛwɔ mo ntam a ɔmahyɛaseɛ ɛdi nkɔmmɔ about who becomes Kotoko's next striker number 9 Kwame Poku wɔ hɔ Morifin Donzo wɔ hɔ ɔma profile Dogo Yakubu as a winger not a striker Dogo Yakubu he's been profiled as a winger not a striker yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ Albert Amoa ɛnyɛ Kotoko player biem Albert Amoa is no more with Kotoko Albert ɛkɔ trials bi koraa wɔ Singapore kɔfɔ Chirimaya wɔ fairly trials discussion nso akyire deɛ nso sɛ daabi nkɔfɔ de sika sɛm na wɔ fam afei Kenya clubs mmienu Gor Mahia ɛne Tusker FC ɔmo nyinaa ni abere sɛ ɔmbɛfa Albert Amoa Albert nkɔmɔ no mebɔwura mu no Kotoko ɛnkɔ animu biara saa wɔ Albert Amoa nkɔmɔ no mu eti coach no ɛpɛ a typical number 9 or a typical prima punta sɛ ɔmra na ɔmɛyɛ Kotoko number 9 na mepatwɔ ɛno no ɛyɛ outsider ɔnsɛ yɛ na baako ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ Atakumi ɛkɔ wɔyɛ Ghana goalkeeper chart na Atakumi ɛna di kan Atakumi afiri man no mu kɔ ɛm sɛ Rudolph nom ɛhyehyɛ bi the odi second third no kwade aso ɔmo firi akɔ dada give me a screenshot of your goalkeeper chart no after your ball season ewie no and ohwa ɛbɛkyerɛ wo sɛ dabi strikers ni bi ni ha etiama coach no ɛne ne sporting director decided that then they should look outside of Ghana. And I know any diabetes say coach Erick Tinkler and the sporting director or football director Stanley Menzo aka omajene apamu omaka omajene apamu no eya kosi so say wanum ehia striker or no outsider. So they are still looking into the foreign market. Omo heso betibenya striker ne fra bonten e dia basada mekain last season Atakumi ji go kin and ED second Okra. August Okra 80 second. I think Okra scored about 17 goals. Now about Richmond Opoku Dembele scored 16. And Nonokwa winger. Yes, Dembele. Actually 16. Atakumi out of the country. August Okra the Ebiaka Kotoko Africa. And the experience where was Okofano. I'm not sure Kotoko will go in for Okra. Richmond Opoku, Suraj Seidu, Rudolph, Salim, Eko, Prince Cheneboa, and so winger Cheneboa the answer okay, but in young Kotoko interest. It is so far we I said yes, Sankobono, and so is it a tear. Yate a one seminal at Emma Yen. I have for finally Asante Kotoko will get a goalkeeper. Muntemi goalkeeper. Kotoko goalkeeper. Aziz Aruna Dari. Ebenya competition for who becomes Kotoko's number 1 at the start of the season. Maybe catch us say Imanu Kobi. And Minya kwesi adunum e dia point is o sign 2-year contract. And the ma team and the team at the Bibiani Gold Stars. Eti aso. almost said there be a 2 years plus one the instance of the club it deactivating to ball acquaintance maybe but sa goalkeeper level ni bi no Kotoko epe goalkeeper level tisa now I asked you for your opinion said Danlad Ibrahim back home Danlad a free agent Danlad baby okwa nya so okotra njan no number 1 goalkeeper edema Ethiopia Coffee Club Danlad a free Ghana akọ no aye Black Stars goalkeeper pay. Question is should Kotoko go in for Danlad Ibrahim having been a Kotoko captain previously and the age name Danlad age from Kra Danlad joined Kotoko as a youth team player or ya Jumadia nya the promotion be bia be than number 1 goalkeeper be than captain Kotoko ensure Danlad option be man we the question ayebusa but so far yentewe say Kotoko go forward for Danlad. We are only asking those questions because Danlad is a free agent. I know sir Danlad were 2 other offers if I'm on ever. But that is what we know. That's the question that we are asking. Say Danlad Ibrahim to Kotoko no no Emra so anti we kakra you room crop ya Asante Kotoko no ye koyi ede ebremo. Still Asante Kotoko more and I de ebremo enya